Hello, it's Hassan, Active Automotive in Wellingborough. Let me show you around this beautiful 420D M Sport, which is Euro 6. Show you some of the features and the vehicle itself. All our cars come with an RAC warranty of 3 months, and all our cars come with a minimum of 6 months MOT and a minimum of 6 months before you'll need to service the vehicle again. We check them over thoroughly before they leave us, so we know that they won't give you any faults. I'll show you around the vehicle. This is a beautiful BMW 420D finished in Estoril Blue with the grey alloy wheels, which really sets it off. Starting from the front, you've got the M Sport front bumper, which has got those little bits there for the styling, which is really nice. Overall, it's in very nice condition. 65 plate, 2015, with about 70k odd thousand miles on it. Keep walking around this side of the car. No nasty surprises. All the wheels will be refurbished before the vehicle leaves us. As you can see, it really is a stunning looking car. Walk around to the back of the vehicle. Got the twin exhaust pipe. I'll show you the boot. It's electronic boot release, so you literally just press the button and the boot releases. Cavernous boot, loads and loads of room in there. You'll get loads and loads of shopping in there if you're anything like my wife. Come around to the side of the vehicle again. Very stunning vehicle. The Gran Coupe is very popular as well. Finished with a cream leather interior inside. There you go. Hardly any wear on it. Really sets it off, the Estoril Blue, the black, the cream leather interior. Show you the back seats. Back seats don't look like they've had masses of wear on them at all. It's just a very nice, genuine straight car, to be fair with you. I'll get inside, I'll start it up. Obviously we'll do a service on the vehicle before it leaves us. Just says its service is due. There you go, 73,834 miles. There's your cruise control over this side to answer your phone, volume on your stereo, auto lights. You've got your climate control over here and your heated seats, which is nice to warm you up in the winter. Then on top of that, you've got your obviously Bluetooth phone connectivity, and then you've got your navigation and DAB radio, which is also nice. And then if I stick it into reverse, you've got front and rear sensors on this car as well, which is also another nice feature as well. Engine sounds lovely on this. It's just a really spot on car, which won't disappoint. Give us a call if you want to come and view it. 01933 224 222. If you want us to do another video for you and focus on some other bits of the vehicle, just give us a shout and let us know. Otherwise, hopefully we'll speak to you very soon. You take care. Thank you.